Welcome to the world, James Lucas Scott. Look at your daddy.
Ow! That's for soaking me at the last party. The bitch slap I deserved.
That's for flicking me in the back of the head.
I'm gonna miss this.
If you want my future, forget my past. If you wanna get with me, better make it fast. Now don't go wasting my precious time. Get your act together, just fine.
I don't suppose the clean team dances much. Oh, please. I was doing the whole slut thing long before you, bitch.
If you wanna be my